How to reset your forgot Epic Games Parental PIN. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining on how to reset your Epic Games Parental Control PIN if you've forgotten it. So setting up a parental control PIN for a child's account allows them to enjoy their favorite Epic games like Fortnite, Rocket League, and Fall Guys while preventing them from chatting with strangers, adding unknown friends, and more. So if your child wants to add an approved friend, or if they are getting older and if you wish to ease some restrictions, you will need to enter the command PIN. So if you can't remember it, don't worry, resetting your Epic Games parental control PIN is straightforward. So let's go through the steps to reset the PIN. First of all, open the web browser and then go to www.epicgames.com. Log into your Epic Games account for which you want to reset the parental control PIN. Click on your Epic Games account at the top, and then from the drop-down menu, select Account. You will be redirected to the Epic Games account screen, where account settings will be selected by default on the left side. On the right side of the screen, locate the account information section and find the parent or guardian email address. So click on the parent controls in the left sidebar and you will see a prompt for your Epic Games account. Forgot your PIN? A window will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to reset your parental controls PIN. And now check the email account associated with your parent or guardian email for this Epic Games child account. And then open the email and reset your PIN in the body of the message. And after that, enter your new desired Epic Games parental control PIN over here. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.